I got big tidbits. You are listening to Tidbits. And what is this tidbit about? Period sex.
It's usually my husband who's mostly like, after it's done, he's like, ew, 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 ew. I was like, it wasn't so ew like 2 minutes ago.
Are you ready to deep dive into this conversation? Well, it can get a little uncomfortable and can get messy. So, it's not about it being a dirty secret. It's a hot mess. I feel so. Lots of hormones raging, lots of love making, and then what? Just clean up. Clean up the stains. Kyuki daag achhe hai na? Remember? But there can be people who say a big no to period sex, and that's absolutely fine. But let's really find out, what are the emotions like on something like this? So I asked some women about period sex, and the first thing that comes to their mind is
Definitely the mess.
It's a lot more wet.
Red towels.
I would love to try it someday.
Dirty but kinky.
Really painful.
yup, painful but wet, but then red towels. These are exactly my thoughts. Want it or don't want it?
Hi, I'm Jasleen from Mumbai. I think all of my girlfriends has one thing in common, that we get really horny around your periods and maybe during periods. So it's something where I'm usually like following him around for that, okay, maybe this is a good time, and he's like, maybe this isn't. So yeah, that happens.
Hi, this is Rohini from Chandigarh. It's a lot more pleasurable.
Hi, I'm Ishita from Mumbai. So it's a little messy, so I feel it's very hot. Like I am very turned on during my period, so I think it's very hot.
Yup, so if men will be men, and since the thought is that they think with their penises, well, you have no idea how much we think when we are on our chums. We're not thinking, we're just bleeding. But we want it too, right?
Hi, my name is Chandni and I'm from Mumbai. Honestly, I've never done it, so I can't really describe how it feels or what it is like. Plus, I'm single, so I absolutely no partner. To be very honest, I would love to try it someday.
Chandni, not to make you feel too bad, but I think you are missing out. Maybe just try it once.
Hey, my name is Janita. I'm from Bombay, and yes, I have, but I do not prefer to because it really messes up the body, and I actually avoid being sexually active when I'm on my periods.
Hi, I'm Nora from Mumbai. It wasn't the likeliest thing to do, but hey, it was a good trial.
What about their partners? Do they like it? What do they feel? What do they say?
I do think at some level, I've been married for so long, so I guess it's okay, but I still do get a sense that he gets grossed out by it a little bit. But it's either that or no sex, right? So might as well do it. He's pretty vocal with the ews.
I think he believes that this is the time during which I cannot conceive. So obviously we always use protection because it's quite unhygienic. So that's what he knows about it.
He also realizes how great it makes me feel.
Fortunately, I have a very understanding partner, and he is all in for my comfort, and he's always understanding about these things. So in fact, he initiates that it's better that we lay off during my periods.
They really don't give a shit. I know, I have been with men who are really horny during constantly, and they really don't care. The idea of periods is just in your head. You think it's bad, but for them, it's just a dick in a vagina.
I think I totally agree with the last point made by Nora. Not calling sex a chore, but jo hai, so hai. But I also think it's like one of those things. It is either for you or not. And once you decide to do it, you are on for a bed of red, call it roses. Well, just love. Anyway. Do they talk about it with their girlfriends? If so, then what's the thought?
One thing in common, that we get really horny around your periods, and maybe this is a good time, and he's like, maybe this isn't. So yeah, that happens.
I just find my friends' reaction to it very weird. Like they just behave like it's not, like it's such a taboo thing to even talk about. Like they just be like, "Yo, how can you even think about it? Like that is our time to just like be separate from it." And I'm like, that doesn't like in the starting also I get where the dirty part of it is coming from, but like the messy and all that, it's a little yucky. But I mean, it's cool, right? And it's really like it's really fun.
So, one of my friends actually told me this. She was celebrating her birthday in a hotel and she was with her boyfriend there and they really wanted to like have sex. But unfortunately, she was on her period and however they went ahead with it and it resulted in the entire bed being red and they both got so grossed out and embarrassed about it, so they were just like spending the day scrubbing the blood off, which was really horrible.
No, I don't think no matter how trendy we are or like we want to discuss everything new and happening, but sex does not come up as a conversation between us girlfriends, let alone like period sex is like too far away from it. Like, I think it was only the initial days people actually like, oh my god, you did it for the first time. But that was it. There's no other follow-up conversation that, oh, is it still that great as it was before or has it gotten better? No. I don't think conversations like that do happen.
Yes, there is some resistance there. It is totally on what you think is too private for you to share or what makes you comfortable. Also, the fact that, hey, are you okay with all the details about your partner going out? Maybe that can be a concern. Well, my girlfriends know that I'm on my period because I'm binging on all things sweet and lots more sweet, and of course, I mean a nice lollipop with dough. Wink wink. Don't get grossed out. I was talking about candy. I love it, I want it. But the point is, let's have a free-flowing period and a conversation as often as we can. Don't keep it inside, I meant. It's as natural as our being. I like letting him know what I like and what I don't like, especially during those days. And maybe it could just be some cuddles and ice cream. And then who knows? PS? I mean, period sex. I don't love you, but you're steamy and nice once a while. Catch the Tidbits podcast on Hotterfly every Wednesday.